What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to open dispute on DHgate. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly open a dispute here on DHgate? Now in order for you to open a dispute, you need to contact customer service. So first things first, you want to go to dhgate.com and just log into your account. Now once in here, you see at the very top of your screen, we have IP protection portal, buy protection, and we have customer service. Let's go and click on customer service. Now from here, you want to go to the very bottom of this page here and just click on the online service option or button at the very bottom. Now once you've clicked on it, you'll be able to access a few things here. Now there are multiple ways of contacting customer support here for DHgate. So we have the online chat here, which is available 24/7. We also have social media and also the dispute zone here if you want to have answers on, in this case, if you have common questions regarding dispute. So if you just want to answer or have some answers to your questions, you should access FAQ. But in this case, if you want to open a dispute, just click on online chat here and just interact with the customer representative and say what are your concerns. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.